Hello everybody and welcome back to the Subtle Beauty YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I created this Valentine's Day glam using just the Subtle stack and featuring our brand new nude lip glazes. I used Fearless in this video, so let's get right into it. I already have my base laid down. If you need a tutorial on that, check out my previous video or any other previous videos. I have a ton of tutorials where I show you my base routine, and I'm going to take my dual-ended eyeshadow brush, which is in our 4-piece brush set, and I'm going to take the fluffy side, pick up a little bit of this, and tap it out. And I am lightly going to buff this into my crease just to give me a little bit more depth and dimension for this look. I want this to be a more sultry eyeshadow look, which is still simple, still neutral, but just gives me a little bit of oomph to the eye. I'm also just going to drag it out so I can get a cat eye shape and use a light hand and windshield wiping motions. I'm gonna do the same to the other eye. Now that I have my what is known as a transition shade laid down in my crease, I am going to take Jelly and I am going to use the matte side of this with my flatter side of the brush, and I'm going to pick up a little bit and tap that off. I am going to bring this to the outer corner of my eye where my lash line is, and I am just going to buff this out into a wing and just keep it really focused towards my lash line. And I'm going to wing that out just the slightest, bring it up into my outer crease the tiniest amount, and just keep buffing and blending. Now that I have created a little bit more depth with the matte side of Jelly with my lash line and outer corner, I'm going to take the shimmery side of Jelly and I'm going to pick that up on my finger, and I am going to focus this more towards the center and outer of my eye. I'm going to do the same to my other eye, focus it more towards the center and the outer corner. Now for the inside shimmer to bring a little brightness to my inner corners, I'm going to take the shimmery side of Cloud 9 and go in with my finger and place this towards the inner corner. I find that using my finger with the shimmers really gets me the maximum payoff and makes them look a little bit more dewy. But with that being said, I am going to just blend that out a little bit with the fluffy side of my brush just to make sure everything is cohesive. I'm gonna merge the two in the center a little bit. Now, last but not least with the eyes, I am going to take an angled brush like so, and I am going to go into my Dune eyeshadow duo, and I'm going to take the matte dark brown on that brush, and I'm going to use this as a liner. You can always go in with a liquid liner or do both. I just prefer a softer liner look. So I'm going to go in with this, and I am just going to start creating a wing. Pro tip, if you struggle with eyeliner, always have a mirror in your hand and have it down so that your eyelid is looking down. It's so much more difficult to do it when you're looking straight on into a mirror. This is also really helpful for if you wear fake eyelashes, also doing it when you're looking down. Okay, this is how the eyes look. Create a little bit of a wing. You can always go in with a Q-tip at the end to clean it up, and I also brought a little bit of that product down to my lower lash line. Getting your wings to look like twins and not sisters is a very difficult task, but let's move on to the rest of our face. I'm gonna go in with my lip and cheek, and today I'm going to be using Mauve in the Maldives because it's Valentine's Day, so why not use a super cute pink. I am going to place this on my cheekbones like so with my fingers. Then I am going to take my dense brush from the 4-piece brush set, and I am just going to stipple and blend this out. Now that all of my creams are placed down, like I said, I already did my base makeup. I'm gonna go in with my BB powder, and I'm going to take my fluffy brush, and I'm going to not only set these creams into place, but I'm going to provide a little bit more coverage to my face as well. I like to stipple this in with my fluffy brush. To bring a little bit of warmth back to my face, I'm also going to take my powder bronzer with that same fluffy brush. I'm going to pick this up and I'm just going to buff this into my forehead. I'm going to place a little bit under that blush in my ears and down my jawline and near my temple as well. Same to the other side, just bringing some more depth and color back. And then I just bring a little bit down the bridge of my nose. With that same fluffy brush, I want a little bit more color on my cheek, so I'm gonna go in with Pink in a Pinch powdered blush, because why not use pink for Valentine's Day to get the cutest rosy little cheeks. And I'm just going to pat this in to where I placed that mauve in the Maldives. Blend out those edges. I'm gonna bring a little bit to my nose. For my highlighter today, because I think it'd be super fun to be shimmery and dewy for this look, I am going to take a small tapered brush and go back in with Cloud 9, and I'm going to use this shimmer as my highlight today. Look at that glow that it gives me. I love using the eyeshadow shimmers as highlighters. Everything is super versatile in the Subtl stack, so why not get the most value out of your products? And this is super pretty with the pink, and it's also cohesive with my eyeshadow. I'm going to bring a little bit actually to my brow bone underneath there. I also want a little bit on the tip of my nose and on my Cupid's bow as well. But it just gives that perfect, like, natural dewiness back to my face. And it looks so beautiful with any like mauves and pink tones. It really complements that. For my lips, I am going to do a more nude version of a red lip. I'm going to take Bordeaux on the Go with my lip liner brush, and I'm going to use this as my lip liner. So let's outline these bad boys. I have yet to master the skill of talking and lining. Could just leave it like that, give myself a little liner mustache. Now I'm going to line the bottom of my lips. And to top off my lips, I'm actually going to take our new lip glazes. This one is in Fearless. It's kind of like a berry nude. I think this will pair beautifully with Bordeaux on the Go. And I'm just going to top off that liner and fill in the center of my lips. Just like so. The perfect dark but nude in the same sense berry lip. This is beautiful for Valentine's Day, and not to mention my lips will be hydrated and plump and looking glossy all day thanks to my lip glaze. And this is the final look. I topped off my eyes with some mascara off camera. Let me know if you guys recreate this look for Valentine's Day. If you have any comments, questions, or concerns, always leave them in the comments down below. And I'm wishing you all a happy Valentine's Day. Bye.